Looking for a simple updo to do on your natural hair? I got you. Stay till the end of this video to see how I achieved this very simple updo hairstyle. So we're back. I've had a nice warm bath and I'm sweating now because NEPA took the lights. So now let me start this journey. It's a journey. So the idea I have is I'll take the twists in sections. Yes, then maybe put them in chunky twists or chunky braids, after which I will now style them. I don't even know what I want to do yet too. Like, I don't know. Now, mind you, I am not professional when it comes to the proper hair care or the proper treatment of your hair. I'm just trying to, find what works for my hair. So I'm just applying this Mega Growth Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm applying this to the twists just before I take them down. And it's actually fun to like take down twists. Like, look, it's so easy. Whoa. I'm tempted to do a twist out. I don't know. I am tempted to do a twist out. So as you can see, my twist out didn't come out good, at least that particular one, after I ran the comb through it to loosen the braids at the root. So you guys, I changed my mind. I think this hairstyle was not destined to be a twist out after all. So yeah, I was talking too much and decided to speed this up. So yeah, taking down your twist is pretty much simple, you guys. So I just applied leave-in to my hair because, like I said, I just washed it. Oh, did I mention I also deleted the part where I mentioned it? So sorry. So I had my twists washed before taking them down. So I just applied leave-in conditioner, after which I applied some oil and grease to my hair, which I think you'll see while I style it. So yeah, that's it for the takedown. Now I will just run you through the styling. You guys, this was a very easy style. While I was taking down my hair, I had no idea what style to do, but I did know that I didn't want to rock these twists any longer and they needed to come off. in order not to bore you with the entire takedown process, I decided to just fast forward to now when I'm detangling my hair. That's after taking down my twist. Like I said, my hair is already was already pre-washed before taking down the twist. So I just applied grease and a little bit of oil to make the grease sink in better into my hair. So while taking down the hair, my mini twist, this was what I was doing, and leaving my hair in chunky twists so that they don't tangle up again. So this is what I just mainly did while switching my style from mini twist to a simple updo that you're going to see right about now. What you see me do here is just creating the front section that I'm going to be styling differently from the back, and the rest of it is actually very self-explanatory. When you watch it, you're going to get the hang of it for sure. So please guys, if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button. If today is your first time joining us on this channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Please do not make it your last, okay? Kindly hit the subscribe button as well. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, or if you took any form of inspiration from it. And yes, to my amazing returning viewers and subscribers, thanks for always coming back. You guys know that I do appreciate it. I do not take it for granted at all. Thank you so much for your presence here all the time. So guys, usually I would use a black shoelace to achieve my high puff or low bun, just because it brings less tension to your hair. And on this day I couldn't reach my black shoelace, and what I usually use in place of a black shoelace is to cut my old stocking cap, and that is what you can use in place of your long knee length stocking socks. So I'm showing you how I did that, how I improvised by using my stocking wig cap. So this is the final look, you guys. I was so impressed with the style, and I was so glad to have finally taken down those twists, you guys. They were already becoming embarrassing for me. Like, I did not like how they were looking anymore. So if you did enjoy, please do not forget to leave me a thumbs up and subscribe if you're yet to do so, and I'll catch you on my next one. Bye.